Welcome to Howard Brown Barber and Beauty Institute. Today, we will be doing the review for nail structure and growth. Let's begin. A normal, healthy nail surface is completely inflexible, has a spotted surface, is shiny and smooth, is white and opaque. If you chose C, is shiny and smooth, you are correct. The portion of the living skin that supports the nail plate as it grows toward the free edge is called the, is it nail bed, cuticle, matrix, or ligament? If you chose A, nail bed, you are correct. The blank is the whitish half-moon shape underneath the base of the nail. Is it sidewall, lanula, root, or free edge? If you chose B, lanula, you are correct. The part of the nail plate that extends over the tip of the finger or toe is the, is it free edge, matrix, bed epithelium, or side wall? If you chose A, free edge, you are correct. A blank is a tough band of fibrous tissue that connects bones or holds an organ in place. Is it muscle, ligament, tendon, or nerve? If you chose B, ligament, you are correct. The blank is the fold of the skin overlapping the side of the nail. Is it eponychium, hyponychium, nail groove, or side wall? If you chose D, side wall, you are correct. As long as the blank is nourished and healthy, new nail plate cells will be created. Is it lateral nail fold, lanula, matrix, or nail plate? If you chose C, matrix, you are correct. Ordinarily, replacement of a natural fingernail takes about, is it 6 to 12 months, 4 to 6 months, 6 to 8 months, or 2 to 8 months? If you chose B, 4 to 6 months, you are correct. The nail growth rate on the blank is typically the slowest. Is it thumb, middle finger, pinky finger, or index finger? If you chose A, thumb, you are correct. The nail has a water content between, is it 10 and 15%, 1 and 5%, 20 and 45%, or 15 and 25%? If you chose D, 15 and 25%, you are correct. The natural nail is an appendage of the, is it dermis, epidermis, skin, or skeletal system? If you chose C, skin, you are correct. The appearance of the nails can reflect the general health of, is it body, epidermis, skin, or skeletal system? If you chose A, body, you are correct. The blank is relatively porous and will allow water to pass through it. Is it nail bed, matrix, nail plate, or eponychium? If you chose C, nail plate, you are correct. The matrix contains, is it muscles and blood vessels, nerves, lymph, and blood vessels, water and muscles, or water, ligaments, and blood vessels? If you chose B, nerves, lymph, and blood vessels, you are correct. Tissue that adheres directly to the natural nail plate, but which can be removed with gentle scraping, is it peronychium, hyponychium, eponychium, or cuticle? If you chose D, cuticle, you are correct. Cosmetologists are allowed to gently blank the eponychium. Is it cut, trim, push back, or file? If you chose C, push back, you are correct. Cuticle moisturizers, softeners, and conditioners are actually designed for the eponychium, blank, and hyponychium. Is it cuticle, nail plate, lateral side walls, or lanula? If you chose C, lateral side walls, you are correct. Toenails are thicker than fingernails because the blank of the toenail is longer than that of the fingernail. Is it nail bed, matrix, lanula, or eponychium? If you chose B, matrix, you are correct. Unlike healthy hair, healthy nails are not blank periodically. Is it cut, cleaned, shed, or maintained? If you chose C, shed, you are correct. It takes about blank for toenails to be fully replaced. Is it 3 to 6 months, 6 to 9 months, 9 to 12 months, or 12 to 15 months? If you chose C, 9 to 12 months, you are correct. The living skin at the base of the natural nail plate covering the matrix area is it hyponychium, eponychium, cuticle, or lanula? If you chose A, eponychium, you are correct. The thin layer of tissue that attaches the nail plate and the nail bed is it bed eponychium, bed epithelium, lateral nail fold, or onyx? If you chose B, bed epithelium, you are correct. The slightly thickened layer of skin under the nail that lies between the fingertip and the free edge of the nail plate is it epithelium, eponychium, sidewall, or hyponychium? If you chose D, hyponychium, you are correct. The dead, colorless tissue attached to the natural nail plate is known as the nail, is it bed, fold, groove, or cuticle? If you chose D, cuticle, you are correct. The blank is the area where the nail plate cells are formed. Is it cuticle, lanula, matrix, or free edge? If you chose C, matrix, you are correct. This concludes the review for nail structure and growth. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel so that you are notified when new videos come out. If you would like more information on classes and to join our community, please visit our website at howardbrownonline.com.